Can a single dollar change your life? Probably not, unless you're scratching off the lotto tickets or, of course, diving into the wild world of meme coins. In this video, I want to count down the top 5 meme coins under $1 that could outshine even big Bitcoin gains during this cycle, of course, if the crypto gods work in our favor. So stick around, because one of these coins just might be the one that makes a big difference to your portfolio. And I know, oh, meme coins, Lark. You know what? Meme coins are the most popular niche of the cycle. Okay, I'm not talking about $10,000 market cap shitters here. Okay, we're talking about real communities, real mind share, real liquidity, big market caps, and even some real use cases among these, which is shocking for meme coins, right? These coins may not give you a million-x return, but some of these could do some nice 10x plus moves this bull run. First on the list, of course, is the OG of all meme coins, the Dogecoin. A coin to trade, okay? Created back in 2013 by 2 software engineers as a joke aimed at Bitcoin, it accidentally launched an entire movement and became essentially the blueprint for thousands, millions, probably someday billions of meme coins that will follow. What started as satire is now a serious player in the cryptocurrency space, firmly sitting in the top 10 coins by market cap, and it basically has been forever. And it hasn't really run yet, and it will run, okay? XRP is running, BNB is running, Dogecoin's only lagging behind. In essence, it's a proxy of Bitcoin in the casino coin niche. It is the Bitcoin of meme coins. Dogecoin currently has valuation around $35 billion, bigger than the GDP of countries like El Salvador and Cyprus. Again, it's a picture of a dog. It's trading around 23 to 24 cents at the time of recording this video. And while that might seem high for a meme, it's still well below its previous cycle peak of 73 cents, and it will likely go on to make new highs this cycle. A simple return to the previous highs, though, would be a nice clean 3x from here. Is that even possible? Ancient astronaut theorists say yes. While Bitcoin has already broken into new all-time highs this cycle, many altcoins, including Dogecoin, haven't even reclaimed their previous peaks. So what could change all of that? Let's start off with the macros. Wait a second, Lark. We're talking about Dogecoin. What are you talking about, macros? Oh, yes. BitOrigin, a NASDAQ-listed company, recently acquired 40 million Dogecoin and announced it plans to buy up to $500 million worth to build a What? Anyway, it's ridiculous. A Dogecoin treasury might not sound as flashy as an Ethereum or a Solana treasury, but sometimes all it takes is a spark to ignite that fire. On top of that, news around a potential Dogecoin ETF are gaining momentum, and it's very likely to be one of the first coins after Ethereum and Bitcoin to get an ETF in the USA. When that happens, it could have a massive impact for Dogecoin, a massive liquidity injection for Dogecoin, just as we've seen happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum already. And on a technical front, Doge just flashed a golden cross on the 921 weekly MAs. Last time it did this, it pumped 240%. We're also seeing a MACD golden cross forming below the zero line and a double bottom as well. Lots of confluence showing that Doge could be in for some healthy price action. No indicator, of course, is foolproof, but more of these coming together increases the odds that something interesting could happen for the price here in the not so distant future. The second pick here is Pengu. We love the penguin coin. I've got a bag of the penguin coin. As always, before the disclosures down below in the description. This is the official meme coin of the Pengu Penguins NFT ecosystem, one of the most recognizable community-driven brands in Web3 and becoming out of Web3 as well. Pengu Penguins started strong in 2021, but later faced a major crisis dubbed the Great Blizzard. These guys. This is when the founders were accused of mismanaging funds, and instead of just collapsing and fading off into irrelevance like what happened with most NFT collections, the community rallied. They took control and turned Pengu Penguins into one of the biggest comeback stories in NFT history. Fast forward to today, and the launch of Pengu token marks a major milestone. Built on Solana, Pengu has a total supply of 88.8 billion, with over 50% allocated over to the community, 25.9% to the Pudgy holders, 24.1% to Huddle members and other partner communities. So this kind of distribution, what does it show? It shows that it isn't just a meme. It's a token backed by a real brand who cares about the community and cares about the Web3 ecosystem, a battle-tested community, and they have a long-term vision. Now, looking at the charts, Pengu has been absolutely on fire, rallying recently, pumping over 300% since the 9 and 21 MA created a golden cross. But here's where it gets even juicier, even more interesting. The pudgy Penguins mascot has been everywhere. It appeared alongside Van Eck at the NASDAQ opening, Bell ceremony spotlighting the growing mainstream attention that they're getting. A lot of major Web3 crypto firms have made a pudgy, their NFT, their profile picture on social media. And then there's more. The CBOE BZX filed with the SEC to list Canary's Pengu ETF. Oh yes, the Penguin coin will get an ETF. This is a fund that would hold both Pengu tokens and pudgy NFTs. If approved, it would mark a historic first in combining both a meme coin and NFT exposure within a regulated ETF vehicle. More than just a meme coin, guys. By the way, you can trade all of the top meme coins we're mentioning in this video over on BitUnix. No KYC, no VPN, no BS, available to anyone, anywhere. That means if you want to trade the top coins, and I love trading the top meme coins. They got great charts, great liquidity. They're a lot of fun to trade. You can do that right down here, link below. You get up to $400 in deposit bonus. It means you put $1,000 in, they give you $200 cash money back in your account. You put in $2,000, they're gonna put $400 cash money back in your account, plus you have to $9,000 in trading bonuses. Go check it out, link down below. The third coin on the list is Pepe, the Ethereum beta play, another one I've got a big spot position in. So what's so special about Pepe? Well, nothing really. It has no roadmap, no promise to be the next bleeding edge of technology. It is what a meme coin is supposed to be, a picture of something funny. Pepe is about fun, simplicity, and community. It's a frog picture, guys. And because this is a top 5 under $1, we didn't put fart coin on here, or fart coin would also fit in that kind of category. It doesn't really do anything, just a meme of a fart. Anyway, Pepe's got no transaction taxes, which is perfect. It has locked liquidity. That means no rug pulls. Liquidity is permanently locked to boost trust. It has an immutable smart contract. The code can't be changed. Again, guys, it is just a picture of a frog. That's it. That's what you get. What you see is what you get, guys. It's a frog picture, okay? And guess what? It works. It's now the third largest meme coin in the world with over a $5 billion market cap. Pepe has also cemented itself as a cultural staple in the cryptocurrency space and beyond. The Pepe frog meme is very, very popular. When meme coin season takes off, which could really happen anytime soon, we've seen a lot of movement in meme coins recently already, and altcoins already. Pepe usually leads the charge, and Pepe tends to follow behind Ethereum moves as well, which it hasn't done yet, which makes me think it's coming. With listings on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, it already has the liquidity and visibility that newer coins lack. It's not aiming to be the next Ethereum. It's simply aiming to be the next viral inside joke that mints a few millionaires. And of course, Pepe started off very, very small market cap, minted many millionaires, much bigger now. Okay, don't expect to get 100x return on this, but you might just get a nice little tasty 5x on this. And for most crypto degens, that could be enough. Now, the fourth pick here is Bonk. This one is definitely something to pay attention to. I'm talking about a lot on the channel. I haven't got a spot position yet, but man, I should sell that damn AVAX bag lark. Anyway, this is one of the top meme coins in the Solana ecosystem. A major recent launch catalyst was the Let's Bonk Fun, a community-driven platform that simplifies the creation and trading meme coin tokens. Basically, a major Pump Fun competitor that has basically crushed Pump Fun within a few weeks. Just days after its debut on April 25th, it had already generated $800,000 in income. Then on July 24th, Let's Bonk posted an impressive $1.57 million in revenue, nearly 6x more than Pump Fun's $280,000, but a major title shift here. What's even more bullish is that income, they're burning half of it, well, using half of it to burn Bonk tokens. They've even committed to using 1% of the total revenue to buy back top ecosystem coins, aka the meme coins within their ecosystem, a move that could drive strong recurring demand to the top side of coins within the Bonk Fun ecosystem. On a technical side, Bonk is forming a bullish pennant, which, while not guaranteed, often breaks to the upside. Its Solana base is also a key strength here. It has been the savior of Solana before, and perhaps it'll be again. Low fees and fast execution also make it the go-to for casino rollers. I mean, culture connoisseurs. And well, it's at $2.5 billion market cap right now, and that's not exactly small. A move to $10 billion would mean a solid 4x in a full-blown altcoin season. Even a 10x to $25 billion really isn't that crazy. Again, guys, remember, we sent Cardano to $100 billion without even having smart contracts last cycle. Dream a little bigger. The final pick here is Brett. Now, this is really just as a base exposure proxy, right? This is the breakout meme coin for the Base ecosystem. While Base hasn't received the same hype as Solana, it's definitely one of the top ecosystems to pay attention to in crypto right now. The Coinbase incubated Ethereum layer 2 has quietly become the most profitable rollup in the ecosystem, aka the most profitable Ethereum layer 2, generating an average of around $185,000 per day in revenue. It's got virtuals. It's got Aerodrome, it's got Zora, it's got all kinds of cool stuff happening over there that people want to participate in. Base is a big place, and the biggest meme coin on the Base network is Brett. And historically, when Ethereum enters price discovery, investors tend to rotate more into high beta plays, which could really look at Base. Again, Virtuals token, Zora token, Aerodrome token, and yes, Brett, because money eventually flows into meme coins built on the platforms. The rotation puts Brett in a prime position. It's already the dominant meme coin on Base with a market cap of around $600 million at the time of recording, meaning that it was not going to take a whole lot of inflows to see this bring in a 10x for buyers. What's more, Brett is not yet listed on major exchanges like Binance and surprisingly not even Coinbase, despite having been and still being the major native meme coin of the Base ecosystem. Any major listing news could have a massive catalyst here as well. And in a meme-driven market, that kind of momentum tends to snowball quickly. And that's the list. Meme coins are wild, they're unpredictable, and yeah, sometimes insanely profitable. Again, none of these are 100x plays here, okay? But if we can get some nice solid 10x's, you're probably going to do better off doing a 10x in size versus trying to gamble 0.1 Solana on every damn 10K market cap shitter to lose your money nonstop in rugs. As always, is meme coin. They're pictures of frogs and stuff, guys. Don't, sell your house or something to buy this kind of stuff. It's just for fun money. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money, but personally, I love it. I love meme coins. They're hilarious. I like the liquidity. I like trading them. It's fun. That's why I participate. It's why I always set aside a small slice of my portfolio for meme coin plays. And I like the big cap meme coins. I don't tend to spend a lot of time in the really small stuff. But you do you, of course. Have fun. Be safe. Remember, it's high-risk stuff, and they're just pictures of internet memes, guys. At the end of the day, thanks for watching.